Hi folks, this is Mike with Imminent Precision Painting. This channel is dedicated to showing you what the pros know so you can do it yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the fastest way to paint exterior trim. For that, stay tuned. But before you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content. Here we go, folks.
Are you still looking at me?
Alright guys, fastest way in my opinion to cut these guys in, or to paint this window trim. What we'll do is we'll take frog tape. I'll have somebody go in front of me and take some frog tape, and they'll just place it right in the corner where the caulking meets the trim. And so what we'll do, that's frog tape. I like using frog tape because it has a polymer inside the edge, on the edges of the tape, that swells when it comes into contact with latex paint. So that's going to prevent a lot of bleed through. That being said, I'm using a 2.5 inch angle Purdy sash, 4-inch roller with a White Dove Purdy 3/8 inch nap, 1 gallon painting grid, 2 gallon bucket, and the paint we're using today is Resilience. One thing to take into consideration when you're painting is how fast your paint dries and the temperature of the substrate that you're painting. So the temperature, the actual temperature of this and the ambient temperature. But that being said, we're painting in the shade. This isn't going to dry too fast, so we're not too worried about it. So what I'll do is I'll just take my brush and I'll go right in that crack there. Right? Work it all the way down. That way I don't have to worry about being really precise. And then I'll take my roller, this is called facing off, load it up, and just roll these windows out. I'll start slow because if you go really fast when you start, you'll sling paint. Now, one trick to getting straight lines on these edges is when you're painting, you want to put most of the pressure on that outside edge. Don't lift your roller, just put the pressure on it while keeping it flat on the surface. Go ahead and knock this window out for you guys. I'll take my cutting brush, get underneath. Just keep working our way around, same as we did that side. Pretty convenient having your masking here like this. There's no guesswork, no intricate little details you have to worry about. You just go to town. Same with this. Just remember to keep the pressure on that outside edge. Takes a little practice, small learning curve, but you'll get it. And if you guys can come over here, I'll show you how straight this line actually comes out. You can see that line right there. Right here. Pretty straight line, that method. Same up top, outside. Pressure. I'll get my brush up in that crack and I'll paint that. Because the roller a lot of times won't get up in there. Alright guys, that's how we paint them. If you guys want to come over here and peel the tape, it's important to go ahead and peel this while it's wet. Better if I start from the top down. I don't know if you guys need a close up and see that line. Really nice clean line on there. Zero bleed through. And yeah. Fastest way, you guys. Alright you guys, that's my method. If you guys have any faster way, any tips or tricks, please leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. We got a lot coming up this spring or summer, and don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, and we will see you on the next one.
Are you still looking at me?